Deborah, the reality is you're not very good.
Now, you know what? You were the one person I didn't want to see today because I really want to slap you now.
But you are not a good singer.
I'm not a good singer. That is why I've been a singer since I was 6-year-old, and everyone I've ever met, people who don't even like me, have come up to me and told me I've got an amazing voice. You can't bloody sing, mate.
I don't want to be a singer.
I don't really care. You can't sing. You have no talent. Get out.
All right, Louis, yes or no?
Absolutely 100% rubbish.
Oh.
She's got a really bad attitude.
I don't think so.
She will never be a star in the music business.
I don't think... No, I like her
I'll never be a star. I'm already a star, sweetheart.
Ever.
Sharon decides to remove her from the duel. Debbie's not finished yet.
I really want to throw your water on him.
Debbie storms back in.
Simon, can I press water, please?
But Louis sees what's coming.
I threw the glass at you, but it's not mine.
You are always on my mind. You will always on my mind.
Thank you very much, Johnny.
I've got to say this. You're talking stupid.
I don't think so.
Telling me you're a pub singer?
Yeah.
You don't know what you're on about. Well, remember this now before I go. Remember the name.
Johnny Rocco.
Johnny Rocco. Remember this?
Johnny Rocco.
I'm going to prove you.
Sounds like a hitman for the mafia.
Right, ma det går kosta upp igen, va? Att det kan skida koppar till killar och ställ, oh?
Mafia.
Ja, jag kan prova. I'll see this.
Simon,
What have I done?
what have you done? Go on.
What did I do?
You laugh. No, you don't. No, you do not.
I apologise.
No, Simon. You want to alter your ways. Listen, Simon.
This is really embarrassing.
Listen. You think you're better than anybody. You think you was very ignorant. Yes, you was ignorant, Simon.
Sorry.
I honestly think you've been...
I didn't, Anthony.
I really do think
Anthony,
that you should change
trust
your
me,
mind.
I've never been more right in my life. Where's the loo?
Right, the loo's... No, you can't go to the toilet. I'm in the middle of talking to you. I think, to be honest, what
Where's
you need
the
to
loo?
do... It's not here. I'm here. You're talking to me.
Anthony, I've said all I've had to say. Where's the
Why
loo?
would I don't want you to patronise me. I want you to give me a chance.
No,
You'll be sorry.
I'm not.
You will be.
I won't.
My sugar walls, my sugar walls, my sugar walls.
It was good, wasn't it? Let's face it.
No. No. You've got a really bad attitude, sweetheart. Everything I wouldn't want. Lazy, deluded, very little talent. Everything I don't want. Well, you asked for an opinion, sweetheart, you're getting one.
The way you lot live your life, you're all each other's is all to get where you want to be. And the truth of the matter is, you're and you know you're and that is the truth of the matter.
Why'd you come here?
Why'd I come
Why'd
here?
you come in
Because
today?
I know it was good, all right?
Right, you want to leave now?
Well, I've even done my own cassette.
Rachel, I think you should go somewhere else.
Nobody does cassettes anymore, it's called a CD.
That's very rude, isn't it?
All right, just
What kind of
leave.
people are you?
Rachel, just leave now.